Well, I said I would, but then I thought I did want to flip that back over because I want to look at those rods again on the bottom side. So I'll show you this before I go in. I'm not the first person to be in this motor, which could be a good thing. It could mean that these cylinders have been oversized or that the crank has been turned down. But if you look at this rod right here, you'll see there's 3 punch marks in it right there, and there's 3 punch marks in it right there. What somebody is doing here is they're marking which piston goes in which hole. This is 1, 2, 3, and you see that's marked by 3 punch marks on the cap and on the rod. And then over here you have another one. I don't know if you can see the punch marks clearly down in there, but see them in the end of that, on that piston rod. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's number 7, and that's number 8 on the very back. And 7 is the one that I want to pull out. I just thought I'd show you that as a point of interest, and that explains why the ridges aren't very deep on this engine, because sometime in the not too distant past somebody did go in here and do some work on this. I was trying to spin this over by hand, not having a lot of luck doing that, but I wanted to get the piston that I'm going to want to pull out up on. I'm going to get the rod cap on top. I suppose I could turn that over with a big screwdriver. Once again, that's the reason why I missed not having bolts on the front of the motor. Largely for that very reason, it's so much easier to get to everything, turn the motor over. If you got something you can hang a wrench onto and turn. Do it this way, but it's mighty slow. Mighty slow. Like I said, I'm gonna go in the house and do what I said I was gonna do, and I'll come back.